This video was sponsored by Enhance, NeoWatt, A Better Road Planner, Elbilmek, Kempower and Bilkomponenter.
Yo, what's up? This is BYD Atto 3 Evo. It's the evolution of the Atto 3. It has lots of improvements. So external wise, it's the exact same size, but we now have all-wheel drive, bigger battery, a frunk, way upgraded interior, but we still have the... Okay, but we're gonna see then how much space we have, because the old Atto 3 didn't get that many banana boxes in here. So the new should be better. And remember, this costs less than half of a BMW iX3 Neue Klasse. So is the Neue Klasse twice as good? Let's find out. And look here, we now have a 101 liter frunk. This is humongous. Wait, oh, it just needs that extra height. Well, will it close? Oh, it has a little bulge on the upper side here. Win! We can put one in there. So the back here looks slightly different than before. We now have Atto 3 Evo here. It says all-wheel drive there. And then instead of saying build your dreams, it just says BYD, which is better in my opinion. And then we have the braking lights here. So lots of changes there. Still have motorized liftgate. And then also in the trunk area here, it has been redesigned. You see, the trunk floor has been lower a little bit. And you can take out this lid, open up for more space. And there's some space here, a little bit in the side. And also, the back seat here can be adjusted. Now it is in the upright position. Clicks there. And then you can go slightly recline. So for the test, we're gonna go in the upright position. So in the first test now, how many boxes can you fit in here? Well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The same as before, because the trunk size has not changed. It's just the way they have lowered it. So yeah, but what about when you fold the seats then? Okay, as always, we try to fit as many as possible. This door actually barely opens because it's been pushed so tight in there. We can see here. Because we have the glass roof, we can utilize all the space up there. There's even some unused space there. And then the car has somewhat boxy shape here. Okay, let's turn up the pitch and start counting.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19,
20, 21, 22. Plus 1 in front, that means 23. So it's one button on the 4, just because of the front. But everything else here is the same. So same but different. But yeah, for a car that is around 4.5 meters long and that affordable, maybe you can't expect too much space. So that's gonna be for now. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, thank you for watching and talk to you later.